Today I'm going to show you how to add an agent to a folder in Base44 step by step. This is a quick but useful workflow if you want to keep your agents organized, group related projects together, and make your workspace much easier to manage. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Base44 walkthroughs just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, look at the top of the left navigation bar and click Agents. This will take you to the area where all of your agents are managed. Once you're in the Agents section, click All Agents so you can see the full list. Now, find the agent you want to organize. On that agent, click the three dots menu. This opens the Actions menu for that specific agent. From the options that appear, click Move to Folder. A folder selection window will open, and this is where you choose the folder you want to place the agent in. Select the folder you want to use, then click Move to confirm. Base44 will now move that agent into the folder you selected, and your agent will be organized in the right place. That's all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you've added an agent to a folder in Base44 and cleaned up your workspace. If this video saved you time, please like the video and subscribe for more Base44 tutorials, workflow tips, and simple how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.